Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Kumari from class 9 and today I present here to tell you about work and energy. The term work that we use in our daily life is just different from what we learn in science. So let's take an example to be understand in better way. For example, if I take that I am preparing for my examination, means I draw diagrams, write notes and learn it, means I'm working hard, but it doesn't mean in a science that I am doing work. In science, for example, if I stand here, after some time I get exhausted, it doesn't mean that I work hard, but I lost my energy. And also, for the example, if I push a wall, the wall doesn't displace, it doesn't mean that work is done in the vision of science. And in the vision of science, the work as we define is when we apply force to an object and when it displays, then we can say the work is done. So we can say that work is done when we apply the force and also the displacement too. So for done work in the vision of science, we have to apply force as well as it have to displace. Means if I pick a book from the table and place it another table, then it doesn't mean it mean that I done the work. So the formula that we use for work is force into displacement. So in doing work, we require two quantities, force and displacement. And work is scalar quantity. It only need magnitude, not direction. Work can be of two types, positive and negative. As we apply force to an object, when the object move in the direction of we applied force, then it positive, we done positive work. When we apply the force and the work done in opposite direction of we applied force, it means that we done the work in negative, means we done negative work. As we know, the SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of displacement is meter. So we can say that the unit of work is equal to Newton meter. After that, we have to come to our next topic, that is energy. So what is energy? When we talk about energy, we have to know different type of energies. For example, we talk about the sun, which is the biggest source of energy on the earth, as well as electrical energy, heat energy, many form of energy. So what does energy mean in the vision of science is that the capacity of doing work is called energy, is processed by energy. For example, if a ball hit the wicket and wicket throw after some time, in this what we say that the object which process the energy, means on which we done the work, is process energy, is lose energy, on which the work is done is gain the energy. In this condition, what we say, the ball which in our hand we applied force on it, and after some time the force is get converted by the wicket which throw out somewhere. So we mainly understand the energy in basically form like kinetic energy and potential energy. In kinetic energy, what we see, the work done by the process of its movement is known as kinetic energy. means if a car is moving, it have an energy, it done work by moving, and the energy that it possessed was a kinetic energy because of its movement. And when we talk about potential energy, this is the by process by its height, means if I have to place a nail on the wall, what I do, I just rise the hammer and place it on the nail. So what we here do, we provide the energy to the hammer by raising it up, by gaining the potential energy. It converted into kinetic energy by putting it into the putting the nail into the wall. So what we can see here, we can change the energy in one form to another form. As I stand here and explain you, means the muscular energy or the chemical energy inside me get converted into sound energy which you can listen through. As we know, the energy is in the term is equal to the work what we done. So we can say the formula of energy or the formula of the kinetic energy is also equal to what the formula of, we can say, in the work. So what the formula of work is, force into displacement. So in, we can also know that the force, we can also write the formula of force as mass into acceleration. And displacement is equal to I derive it from the second equation of motion. So what we basically do here, we cut out the acceleration, and the formula we like m into v square minus u square upon 2. So basically what we do here, we cut out the acceleration, and if we consider the object or the object which are ready to be moving, means process the kinetic energy, the u is 0, means it started from its stationary position. After that what we replace u, replace 0 in the place of u. And we can also write it as, this is the formula we use to calculate the energy which is processed in kinetic form. So that is for today. Thank you.